In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Dex Screener. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can directly connect Dex Screener to your Phantom Wallet account. So to do this, I'm going to showcase how to do it through a PC or laptop on the Dex Screener website. You might be able to do this through the smartphone, however, I cannot guarantee that the process will be the same. For this particular method of doing it through the website, you need to have the latest version of the Phantom Wallet extension. So if needed, go to their website or the Chrome Web Store, for example, and look for the Phantom Wallet extension. If you don't have this extension installed and activated, you will not be able to connect Phantom Wallet to Dex Screener. I also recommend periodically or temporarily disabling other extensions that might conflict with this one. You need to make sure that the Dex Screener website is able to detect the Phantom Wallet extension. And once everything is good to go, click on Sign In at the bottom. If you are already signed in, then you will see the option to connect the wallet instead. So just find the option to connect the wallet. And like I said before, if you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your web browser, it is going to appear here. This is why the process might differ for mobile. If your web browser on mobile then does not have access to the extension, you might need the application. I cannot guarantee that it will be able to connect. Sadly, I don't have it on my web browser at the moment, but this is what it looks like. Once you click on Phantom Wallet, a pop-up will appear from the extension. And on this pop-up, it is going to give you the message. Dex Screener wants you to sign in with your Ethereum account, so double check the address that is going to be displayed here. And if the address looks okay, just confirm. You can double check the network and sign into other different accounts if needed. As long as you confirm that this is the account that you want attributed to Dex Screener, you will be able to confirm and you can check it at the bottom left corner. Your user will be active now and you will see the wallet address displayed here. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Dex Screener to Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.